want to talk about urban planning graduate and urban planning major. Before we talk about this, maybe I want to introduce myself. My name is Rifais.
My name is Marda.
And my name is Raffi Rizkyanda.
And so, before we talk about the main topic urban planning, maybe I want to have a question before main topic. The first question is why you choose Yogyakarta as your city for study?
You first.
For me, why I choose Yogyakarta because Yogyakarta have a place not too far between my home in my home literally in Semarang, Central Java. Yeah, because it's not too far from my home.
So your reason is about the distance.
Yes.
What about you? Why you choose?
Because I'm like a Raffi at Salzburg because about place not so far about my home in Jogja is so
So the reason of you is about the distance.
yes the
Home
distance
and Yogyakarta.
yes not so far.
Maybe the reason is different with you because when I choose Yogyakarta for my city for study because Yogyakarta is we know Yogyakarta as a student city.
Yes.
So I have interest in here and Yogyakarta have so many places I can go like healing place,
Yes.
cafe, and
Sure.
there are so many places we can go.
And it's starting place.
Yeah, so Yogyakarta make me interest with this city.
Oh yeah.
Maybe next question.
Yeah.
The next question is why you choose Universitas Amikom Yogyakarta as your university?
Because when I'm continue to study and then I searching campus that have program study of urban planning and then Amikom Yogyakarta is one of the campus in Yogyakarta that have urban planning program study and then yeah this is my lifestyle.
Your first choice is
My first choice I go to like a state university like Undip Universitas Diponegoro and
See.
UGM Universitas Gajah
in
Mada.
Undip you choose urban planning major.
Yes.
Yes.
I
The same.
choose-
First choice is
yes.
urban planning.
Yes, same.
What about you?
And me because Amikom is my second choice because my first choice is I am trying official job school because I'm not agree in this school. After I tested, I found a pamphlet of Amikom and I searched in internet and I interested in Amikom have a urban planning majority and I registered in Amikom University.
So Amikom is the first campus.
Yes.
Biggest.
Yes.
But for me, when I choose university, Amikom University because Amikom University is my second choice.
What's
My
your
first choice is like Raffi State University. But I'm not in Undip. I register in UNY, Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta,
yeah,
and in Universitas Gajah Mada. Yeah, like this. I register about engineering in UNY.
So
I'm
cool.
not accepted in there, so I chose Amikom Yogyakarta as my university.
So your first is not a urban planning program study.
No, it's
Oh,
about engineering in UNY.
Okay.
Oh, so cool.
The next question is what's the make you surprising after you living and studying in Yogyakarta?
You first maybe.
It's shocking with weather in here. Weather in here is so different in my village because in here is so hot. Like same, not same with my village. Like it's so cold, it's so fresh. Only this, my opinion is.
By the way, where are you from?
I'm from East Java, like a Pacitan. From East.
Pacitan is have full weather.
Yes, with
Fresh.
because I live in mountain.
You live in mountain. There are so many vegetation in there.
Yeah, sure.
So what you?
For me, it's not first time I'm go in Yogyakarta because I have family in Yogyakarta and I'm not too much adaptized because in my place in Central Java, Semarang, And Yogyakarta have a same culture like Japanese culture, and I'm not too much adapted about that.
So from your village,
Yes.
in Yogyakarta is not have a big difference.
Yeah, have the same culture. Maybe I'm adapted about the weather, cause in my village Semarang, cause I'm not in the city in the Semarang, but in the village, and in there is a cold, have a weather cold and fresh, and I go in Yogyakarta and in here, yeah, kinda hot.
So
Weather.
when you surprisingly in Jakarta is about weather like that.
Yes.
But if you have easy adaptation here.
Yeah. Okay lah.
Oh,
Easy.
but for me, I think yeah, I know the weather is so hot, but it's not my problem here. It's not my really surprising because I know Jakarta is my country is from Klaten and is beside of Jakarta. So the weather is same. Klaten is hot too, but the thing make me surprising in Jakarta is the traffic.
It's
When
okay.
I studied in Jakarta, I shocked with the traffic because in here the traffic is so I say chaos. It's so chaos because in everywhere we meet the traffic high
Yeah.
and I can enjoy the traffic. Traffic because yeah, there are many. Maybe there are many people want to go. Maybe in Bantul, maybe in Sleman, maybe in Prambanan. So it make the traffic is so hot. I think it's the traffic. Traffic is make me so shocked. It's different with the Klaten. It's maybe now we can talk about the main topic about urban planning. You ready?
Yes.
The first question is why did you choose an urban planning?
You first.
First, me or
You.
Okay. Why I choose urban planning? Cause urban planning is different program study. In the urban planning, they have class to go around the world, like surviving and observation of a field of a place in the outside of the place, like that.
Yes. Why did you choose urban planning?
Yeah,
What about you?
interesting.
I choose urban planning because urban planning is so mainstream because not famous like any majority.
Yeah.
I think it's too.
So not about, but you choose about urban planning. Majority is not exposed.
Yes, yes.
Another. So you choose the urban planning
Yes.
because it's not
Not exposed.
exposed in social media.
Yes, yes.
So, but maybe I answer my question. Why I choose urban planning because urban planning. First time I don't know about urban planning, but yeah, when I search urban planning, I know urban planning like how we learn about the city, we learn about the land use, about the analysis, and there are many things we can learn, and this make me interested with the urban planning. So I chose because I have interest with what will we study in urban planning. The question, when you know first time about urban planning,
For me, I know first urban planning when I want to continue my study in the college, and then I searching some much program study, and then I found this urban planning, and I'm interested with this this program study.
so
This is my
the
first-
first time you know about urban planning actually is when you graduate from senior high school.
Yes, and then I want to continue, and I found this. I know this.
What about you?
With me, I know urban planning in a pamphlet of Mekom University. First time I don't know about urban planning because I searching in the internet and info about urban planning and see urban planning is working.
So first time you know about Amikom University,
Yes.
and when you search, you found Amikom have urban planning major,
Yes.
and you have interest with this.
Yes. So,
How about you?
About me, first time is like you, Rafi. When I'm graduate from senior high school, in that time, but it's not first choice. I don't know about urban planning because after I graduate, I want to work. But yeah, it's not. My family is not agree with my opinion, so I want to continue my study. And yeah, I register in there are so many campus university like UNJ and UGM, but yeah, I rejected from there. And first time I know Amikom University. I don't know about urban planning, but yeah, like Nanda too. When I know Amikom University, I saw from social media, from website official, and in there I know about urban planning. I know Amikom has urban planning major, so I search what is urban planning major. So I have interest with this major. So I chose this urban planning major in Amikom. Yeah. Agree? Yeah. Maybe the next session. Before college, what did you think urban planning about? What do you think about urban planning before college? You know, or
Yes, for me, I think urban planning where before I go this college, like simply like planning for the city, then planning some building, something like that for the future to make the city better.
so you know urban planning about we hope to build something like a building,
Yeah.
like a city for the future.
Yeah, similar like that.
What about you?
with a question.
And the question is before college.
Yes.
What do you think about urban planning?
I think urban planning is not only learning about map and building, because in urban planning is so many complex learning like economic, like infrastructure, and so many like this.
So you think urban planning is complex?
Yes, so complex.
It's for me is maybe same like you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know urban planning is not just a city. Urban planning we will learn about there are many things, like you say about analysis, about city problem, about disaster, about how to fix the problem, and etc. Yeah. So the urban planning is a complex major, I think.
Yes.
You have a question or
Now.
we can next to the question.
Okay.
What skill have you learned in urban planning study?
Maybe you first.
I think important skill in urban planning, like pricing software like ArcGIS, because map is so important in urban planning majority.
So maps is one of the important things
Yes.
in urban planning because
Yes,
yeah, I know because maps is the one of things to how we can analyze
Yes.
values from
So-
maps.
For me, yeah, learning about software is important, and then we must know about how we can manage the data that we need, that the city have. Like from the data, we know the realize, and we can planning something from the data for the future.
Oh, so the skill is maybe analysis skill.
Yeah, analyzing.
So if we have data document
Yes.
about the analysis of city, we can use it to make a planning
Yes.
for the future
The
about the
future.
city.
Yeah.
So the point is analysis skill.
Yeah, analyze. Yeah.
For me, is maybe skill about leadership because you know about in urban planning we can work individual.
Yes.
We must
Yeah.
have a team.
Yes.
So in team, we must have a leadership skill. How to lead the people, how to lead the team, because the team is have a one purpose. So we lead how to get the achievement of our team. Yeah. So the point is how to lead the team. Because we know the lead the team is not easy because there are many character of people in the team. So we must make it the team is in one team, one of you. It's one of the hard skill I have. With the next question, what's the most surprising thing when you start this major? Maybe you have a shock, culture shock with open planning or something that you surprising.
Yes, I have shock like what I'm thinking before I go college, like simply like we can make planning for the future, but before we can planning, we have to analyze more complexity the system of the city. Like we must know a system of the city to get better, and we can plan from there. Yes.
And I will shocking because college in urban planning. It's not only individual because in urban planning you work teamwork. Yes.
So teamwork is one of one of the hard skill we have.
Yes.
But in your opinion, it's like you're surprising shock when you start studying.
Yes.
So teamwork. When you start urban planning, you shock. We must work as a team, not individual.
Yes.
But maybe a different my opinion because I think what's make surprising when I start urban planning is about we learn about make a document, about new document, because how document I had how to read document because there's so complex document.
Like
We
the
want-
rules.
the rules, the document, the rules about the city, the building is so many complex. So I had with the document, but it's make me shocked because we must learn about how to make a new document, how to make a new
Plan.
what?
Document planning.
Document planning. Because it make hard because I had to, so it made me shocked with urban planning. Maybe where's next question? The question is has studying urban planning. It's a change the way you see about city.
After I studying in urban planning, I see city as critically because inside city, I can break down this like drainage system, sanitation system, more like this.
So the different city after join urban planning, you can see the city is not just a city,
just only
it's a
city.
place, but you can break down this
Yes.
because city have many structures
Yes.
like you say drainage, sanitation, city have a problem.
Yes.
So the city is have many structure.
Yes.
How about you?
Yeah, have the same like Amanda. Because before we go in the urban planning program 2D, we just see the city is beautiful, have a building in the place. But in the behind of the beautiful city, we must know about the system, the system and more critical system in the city, in behind of the beautiful of the city.
Oh, so we not just view the beauty of city, but in behind this city have many critical system problem. We must fix it.
Yeah.
But maybe I want to ask for my question. I have a different opinion. I see city is not just about place, but for now, as an urban planning, I see the city about the history and the future. Because the city is, the city is now, the condition of now. But as urban planner, we see the city is how to make the city better than now. So we can, plan how many, there are many plan we can choose to make the city better.
Then
Than now. So the point is, city is not just plan, but we must know about the history, and we can pay the history. We can plan to make the city better than now. Next question. What's for now? What the urban problem do you notice more than the problem of the city?
First or I first?
first.
I see about the disaster like a flood, like a landslide. Yes, only this. I see my opinion. About my opinion.
The urban planning you choose or you see in city is about disaster problem.
Yes, this is a problem.
So hard.
Yes.
What you?
For me, like problem in the city is like drainage system.
Bad drainage.
What apa?
Bad drainage.
Yeah, bad drainage system. Like if a drainage system is bad, it will go. The city will have a disaster like runoff and then floods like that, and yes, something like that. It's the same like. What about you?
For me, the problem I see, in my view, about the problem I notice more often, maybe about like I said before, about the traffic. Because maybe there are many, all the city have a public traffic is a problem. Because in Indonesia, especially in Indonesia, the traffic is not good enough than another country. Because I think how to fix the problem about the traffic is smart traffic.
Oh, yes.
Maybe we can combine not just about the plan the street, but we can plan the how we can implementation the smart technology for maybe for the traffic about the
Smart mobility.
yes and smart mobility. Smart mobility. So maybe we can copy from the another country and implement in Indonesia.
Yeah.
I think it's one of the problem in the city. So the next question is, what do you hope after graduate from urban planning?
First.
After graduate, I wish I make a city more better. Yes.
So in your city or in another city?
In my city first.
Your
First in my city. Yes.
What's the problem in your city?
My city is too many disaster like a landslide, like a flood. Yes, like this.
Because you said you live in Mongolia. So in there is maybe I think in Mongolia landslide is so
Yes, it's so crucial.
crucial disaster.
Yes.
So after graduate you want to fix your country
Yes,
better.
fix my country first.
What about you?
Yeah, for me, same like Romada. Like I wish I can implementation what I'm learning in the urban planning program studi to my place, like make my place more better than now. Gitu. From what I'm learning in the program studi.
What's the thing you want to fix in your country, your city?
Yeah, maybe like in my place have like a bad system, like a road, have a broken road.
Many
You
maybe make it better, and then agriculture is like growth.
Oh yeah.
You can grow in their area.
What
What
about
you?
My hope after I graduate from urban planning, I hope to realize my dream.
What's your dream?
My dream is make my city is better than because in my city now I meet the many problem like flood, like there are many hole in street.
Yes.
Yes, and the traffic light is not good because in the night the street is
Dark. So dark.
yeah it's a dark, so it's make the
Vision.
yeah the vision is so small. It's not good enough for motorcycle for yeah.
Lain area.
There's many plan area in Klaten in the night. So yeah, for graduate urban planning, I want to use my skill when I studying in here and to implement this in my city. Especially in my city, not in other city. First time I graduate in my city. Maybe the next question is, do you want to work in government or in public sector, and why?
You first.
Just government or public sector?
For me, maybe I prefer to choose in a public sector like public company. Yes, because I think in the public company it's not more time that we have to go work. Like we have enough space to learning something new in the outside of the working in the company.
So you want after graduate you want to work in public sector, public sector, private sector,
Yeah.
not in government.
Yeah, like that.
How about you? Government or public sector?
Sama like Raffi and Suher and public sector because I'm so newbie because I'm learning it's so very small and I growth with public sector first.
But for me, maybe I want to choose government because
Why?
yeah, because work in government is one of my dream. Because in government, especially in PUPR, yeah, in there because yeah, government maybe we can get a stable salary.
Yes,
Yes.
berarti.
Yeah, we can get a good stable salary, and in government, I hope I can work in my country, and especially in Klaten, in my city. So this way, I say I want to make my city better because yeah, if I can join in government like PUPR, maybe I can choice or places in Klaten. So if I places in Klaten, I can make it better than now.
Oh, yeah.
So I choose the government sector. So the next question is, what do you recommend urban planning for now?
Yes, it's so recommended. It's so fun. It's so many things like to learning. Yes, that's my opinion.
You recommended to join urban planning
Yes,
because
it's so
urban planning is so
fun.
fun.
Yes, it's so
Oh,
fun.
yeah. It's very fun. How about you?
Yeah, maybe have something like a Mada, like if you like something playing like a puzzle, maybe this urban planning program study is recommended because we have to solve something problem to make it perfect, like that.
So,
Yes.
opinion. Like, so you recommended this?
Yes, for people like puzzle like that.
You say urban planning like a puzzle.
Yoi.
Oh yeah. But for me yeah, as an urban planner student, I recommended this because in urban planner you can learn so many things, not just about maps, not just about the team, but you can after you join urban planning, you can have a different dream before because after you join maybe you can have interest to how to build city, how to make your city better than now, how to fix the city, how to fix the problem, how to analyze the problem. There are so many things we can learn in here. Like you say, urban planning is so fun.
Yeah.
We can study with a friend. We can study with with happy. We can study with happy. So I recommend urban planning with this. They are very happy.
Yes.
Maybe the last question for our. Maybe you can give one sentence. What does urban planning mean to you? One sentence about urban planning.
Yeah, lebih simple like urban planning, just planning something to make it better.
Yeah. From you. Oh, from you.
Saya melakukan kopi lah.
So that's it. You don't have a different sentence.
I don't have.
It's not
Don't
right
anymore.
Right. Okay. About me, the one sentence about me to image the urban planning is urban planning is not just about the plan, but it's about we can fix the problem of the city, how to analyze the land use. Yes, I think it's for me.
Yes, enough.
Yeah, maybe it's enough for our discussion. For people, maybe enough for our discussion. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.
Yes.
Yes, goodbye.
Goodbye.